Namaskar. In today's video, we will discuss something that might surprise you. The link between vitamin deficiency and wrinkles. Now we all know that wrinkles are a natural part of aging. But did you know that vitamin deficiency can actually accelerate the process? So if you are someone who is concerned about premature aging or just want to keep your skin healthy, then the recipe that I will share today can help you to get all the vitamins for your skin health. Understand which vitamins are healthier for your skin. Vitamin C, E, A, and B3 are all crucial to maintaining a healthy skin. Vitamin C helps to promote collagen production, which is essential for skin's elasticity. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin A helps to improve skin texture and reduces fine lines, while vitamin B3 helps to increase skin's hydration and reduces the appearance of dark spots. Now, if you are looking for a natural way to get all the vitamins your skin needs, try incorporating this delicious smoothie recipe into your daily routine. It's packed with all the essential vitamins for healthy skin, and it tastes also wonderful. To make a smoothie, you will need 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 ripe banana, half cup of unsweetened almond milk, half cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of chia seed. Simply blend all the ingredients together and top it with berries. You can have a delicious and nutritious smoothie that's packed with vitamin C, E, A, and B3. The link between vitamin deficiency and wrinkles is very obvious. But good news is that through this drink, which right now we have shared, you can give all the nutrients what is required for your skin. Have this drink and your skin will thank you for this. Namaskar.